Hi guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a pull-up or tsunami cake, Ivana Alawi inspired. So walang tataas ang kilay, trip ko to. So let's check it out. So, yung mga gagamitin natin dito sa Ivana Alawi inspired cake ay ang mga sumusunod. White chocolate, whipping cream, food color, edible glitter dust. Makikita nyo sa screen yung mga list of ingredients. Put the pan on medium heat. Kapag mainit na yung pan, you can put in the whipping cream. And now, pag nag-simmer na ang ating whipping cream, you can add sa ating white chocolate. Haluing mabuti hanggang sa malusaw ang ating chocolate. Ngayon naman, lagyan nyo ng food color. Choice nyo po kung anong gusto nyong kulay. Pagkatapos haluing maigi, iset aside. Since I don't have the dome cake pan, I used two 6 inches regular pan and mold it. Now, I'm doing the first layer or first coating or crumb coat or whatever. Bahala kayo dyan. After the first coat, put in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Time for the second layer. Again, as you can see, I'm not using piping bag for putting the icing. Ayoko lang. Ayoko lang maghugas. Tamad eh. I'm now using 11 inches straight spatula from Wilton. Oh, Wilton. Bekaya naman. Hindi po ito sponsored ah. Masyado lang yumayaman sa akin tong Wilton. Nakapag-print na po ako ng picture ng best friend ko. Close kaya kami niyan. Na-perfect ko din ang cut nito ni Idol. Oh, ha? Yan. Pasok sa mga dami na sayang. But it's okay though. As usual, nalobat na naman ang aking camera. So, si best friend, dinikit ko lang doon sa aking cake pop stick. And then, yung clear sheet, ibibilog ko lang siya. Gagamitan ko ng scotch tape. Okay? Now, let's put them all together. So, I decided to add little green stuff kasi yung picture niya doon, nasa halahalamanan siya. So, there. Yan, dondo naman ni best friend. Pinanindigan. Best friend talaga. Ngayon naman, ilalagay natin si Ivana doon sa binilog kong clear sheet. Push down firmly to seal in the tsunami. And now for the messy part. So what I'm going to do now is to pour in the tsunami up to her waist. Now, it's time to put the edible glitter dust on top. One, two, three, go. Para kay Ivana! Cheers! Ta-da! pwede ka na sa gilid lang. Okay, game. Let's see. One. I wanna see. Okay. One, two.
The camera's upside down.
It's okay. Let's see. Okay. One, two, three, go. Para kay Ivana. Cheers! Hope you guys like it.